Okay, so those are some of the details, some of the basics. There's really a lot to this, but I wanted to at least cover the basics. And now I'll go through the whole entire flow exercise. I'll do it basic. I won't get too fancy schmancy for you on this, but let's walk through the 8 form. I'll just go through the form so you could follow along, okay? This is the Yang Style 8 form.
My name is Todd, Zen and spiritual practitioner for well over 40 years. My goal is to share this journey with others and help others find the best version of themselves and live an extraordinary life. Please visit toddszen.com for more. Thank you.